Let's talk about sleep apnea. It's more common than you think. Sleep apnea happens when your breathing stops and starts while you snooze. Causes? Could be anything from excess weight, nasal issues, to even family history. Symptoms? Think loud snoring, morning headaches, and feeling tired all day. Sound familiar? But don't fret. Here's how to tackle it. First, try sleeping on your side. It helps keep your airways open. Next, lose a little weight if you can. Every bit helps. Also, avoid alcohol and smoking. They can make things worse. And if things are super tough, check in with a doc. They might suggest a CPAP machine to keep you breathing easy. Feel like a sleep expert now? Great. For more tips and tricks, hit that like button and subscribe. Catch you later. Sleep tight.